Good morning. Buenos días. Hoy voy a hacer una limpieza aquí. We're gonna clean this up. So we gotta do a clean up. We back to this house. Clean all this. Limpiar todo esto. Leaves there. Limpiar todo eso. Todo esto. And I had a new dump trailer. Hola. And oh, hola. ¿Cómo está? Ay, terminé aquí enfrente. I'm done here at the front. It's time to go to the back. Alright. Looking so much better. Small container, perfect for tight spaces, man. Perfect. Alright, clean that. Clean bit, limpio. You gotta come back and spray for weeds. Oh, that blew all these. Clean up under here. All these bed. Oh, back there. And all here, there was a lot of leaves, guys. A lot in here. You can still see some rotten. Few poco fell. Got so many bags. This is the last one. So, time to go. Aquí vamos. Here we go, man. To the landfill. Been a while. I haven't been here. Alright. Esto es toda la basura. This is all. We got all the doors open. Let's try it for the first time. Let's go up. There we go. Oh man, why is it not going up? I'm having problems. Is that too much weight? Man, this don't weigh a lot. Hey! My bad. I was doing down instead of up. Man, what a dumbass. That guy there helped me. Okay, let's go up. That's it. I gotta go up, pull up a little bit. I believe. Okay, that's it, guys. So out. It's all out. There we go. We are done. Done. Finished. It is so much easy with this than doing it by hand. Now I gotta put this up, wrap the tarp up, and we done. Alright guys, later. See you guys later.